Hey there and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the powered by Shopify text from your store without editing any code in simple ways. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, let me show you what is powered by text. So wait, let me show you. As you can see here, you can see this text called powered by Shopify at the bottom of your Shopify store. This one powered by Shopify. So if you want to edit this one, you have to go to your Shopify dashboard. If you don't already have a Shopify store, I have got you. Grab a free trial using the link below, or also you can log in from here, but if you go from my link it will be very helpful. So check the description or pinned comment, you will get the link easily. So now let's move forward to the steps. Head to the online store of yours. From your dashboard, click on online store. This one, you can see this option called online store. Tap onto it in the left menu. Then you have to select your theme. Choose the theme you are using. So for example, I'm using the ST theme in this tutorial. You have to tap onto this online stores, then you have to tap onto theme. So click the three dots now next to your theme and select edit. Like tap onto this three dot and select edit. Here you can see this edit theme content. Tap onto this, the last option here. Then you have to search for powered. Here at the theme content you have to search for powered, and you can see this option called powered by Shopify HTML text field. You have to tap onto it and just add a space. Literally hit your space bar once and in each of the matching fields, and then click save. Now go to your storefront and refresh the page, and that's it. Now you can see there is no powered by Shopify option. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Goodbye.